Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about how to convert a text into column by using Excel. So let's take an example. Two datas are there. This is the first data whereby the different texts are being segregated by the comma. So you can see every text is being segregated by the comma. And then the second one is where any such segregator is not being used, so it is combined. But there is certain uniformity is there in this also. What is the uniformity? That you can see the first three letters are there, which can represent the name, etc. Then second four letters are the product, and then the last is the amount. So let us first try to convert this first one into column. So for that you need to go to data tab. In data tab, this data tool is there, and in this data tool you have to go to text to column. So click on this text to column. You have to select it first. Select it and then click text to column. Now here you can find that again two options are being given. First is delimited. Delimited means characters such as comma or tabs separates each field. So if the comma and tabs are used to separate each field, then this delimited can be used. If that is not there, then the second one can be used, that is the fixed width. Means fields are aligned in column with space between each field. So basically it has to be fixed width, means common, otherwise it will not function. Like the first column which we want is for first three letters, second column for next four letter, like that, something. So let us first try to do this one and choose the delimited, and then here it is the separator is comma, so we have clicked on comma and automatically you can see this data is being segregated into columns. Similarly, instead of column, if semicolon or tab or space is being used or any other thing is there which you can put here, then also it can convert into column. Then on this step you can here itself convert a particular column into a different format, like it's a general column. If you wish to make it text, you can convert it from here. If it is a date, you can convert and then can choose the date format also. Or if you do not wish to import this column at all, then you can click here, do not import column, and you can see it is already come here, skip column. So when you will click it, this column will not be imported and only these two column will be there. But for this exercise we want all three column to be there, so let's finish. So you can see this text string is been now converted into columns. Now let us try to work on the second one. So select it, then go to text to column, and then choose the fixed width. Click next. And now to create a break line, click at the desired position. So you have to click where you want to create a break line. So I want to create after the first three letters. So the line is there. Then the second column I want to create after first four letters. So I will click it. To remove it, you have to just double click on this line. So if you double click, it has gone. And then next, again, this we have already discussed in previous video, and then click. So it has been converted to columns. So I hope this concept of text to column conversion is clear to you, and please keep watching my video and please subscribe.